Let's discuss why laptop power supplies are relatively large. Several factors contribute to their size. One factor is the input voltage range. Laptop power supplies are typically designed to operate with a wide range of input voltages, often from 100 to 240 volts alternating current. This is to accommodate the different voltage standards used in various countries. To handle this wide range, the power supply needs a high voltage rectifier and a large input capacitor to filter out voltage spikes and ripples. This adds to the overall size. Another factor is the size of the inductor used in the buck or buck-boost converter. In these converters, the inductor size is inversely proportional to the switching frequency. Laptop power supplies often operate at relatively low switching frequencies, say 50 to 100 kHz. This is done to minimize switching losses and reduce audible noise. However, a lower switching frequency means that a larger inductor is needed to keep the output voltage ripple within acceptable limits, again increasing the size. The power handling capacity of the power supply also contributes to its size. Laptops require a significant amount of power to operate their various components such as the central processing unit, graphics processing unit, and memory. The power supply must be able to provide sufficient current and voltage to meet these power demands. This requires larger transformers, capacitors, and other components capable of handling the high power levels. Efficiency and cooling requirements also play a role. Laptop power supplies aim for high efficiency to minimize power loss and the generation of heat. This necessitates the use of high-quality components and effective heat dissipation methods like heat sinks and sometimes even fans. The increased size allows for better cooling, which in turn extends the lifespan of the power supply. Finally, form factor and portability, though seemingly contradictory, are factors. Laptops themselves are designed for portability, so the size of their power supplies is a key consideration. Manufacturers strive to balance the need for a compact and lightweight design with the laptop's performance requirements. The power supply size is often optimized to be as small as possible while still meeting the necessary power and efficiency demands. It's worth noting that many modern laptop power supplies utilize active power factor correction circuitry, which adds to their complexity and can also increase their size. Also, some laptop models use detachable power supplies, offering the option to use smaller, lighter adapters in certain situations. The development of fast-charging technologies like universal serial bus Type-C power delivery may lead to smaller laptop power supplies in the future by allowing faster charging at lower currents.